Meaning of feasible.
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 Feasible. Feasible means something is possible or practical to do or achieve within reasonable limits. It implies that an idea, plan, or project can be executed successfully given the available resources, time, and circumstances. For example, a feasible business plan is one that has a good chance of generating profits and can be implemented using existing infrastructure and capital. In short, the term feasible suggests that an action or idea is not only desirable but also realistic and achievable without significant difficulty or risk.